How to use nearby shared transfer files on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to never miss an update. So first of all, open up settings on a device. Then tap on the start bar. Now type quick share. Now simply tap on quick share. Then tap on send. Then tap on select. Now select the file you want to send. Now scroll down. Now you can find the nearby devices on this page. Now simply tap on the device and you can send your files. If you want to receive the files, simply tap on receive, then tap on OK, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.